Spocket versus CJdropshipping, which is better for dropshipping? Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll compare two popular dropshipping platforms that offer a wide range of features to help us to start grow our online dropshipping business. So we'll take a look at the features, differences, pros, cons, unique features, and at the end of the video, you'll know exactly which platform is the most suitable as for you. Also, I'll show the way of how to get best conditions to buy these plans, to buy paid plans for Spocket, for CJdropshipping. So make sure to watch this video till the very end. So both Spocket and CJdropshipping offer a wide range of products from suppliers in the US and China. Also, both platforms offer automated order fulfillment, so we don't have to manually process any orders. And both of them offer different integrations with the popular e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and so on. It's pretty cool, pretty easy to interact with, pretty easy to use. But if we're going to look at their differences, we can see that we can find differences in product selection. So Spocket offers a wider range of products than CJdropshipping with over 1 million products to choose from. CJdropshipping offers a smaller selection of products, but they all handle picked and vetted for quality. Also, like shipping times, we know that Spocket offers faster shipping times, so we can get our product within like 2 to 5 business days. And on CJdropshipping, it usually takes between 7 and 14 business days. And if you're going to speak about Spocket and like CJdropshipping prices, we can see that Spocket is like more affordable. We can try to use it for free. And now let's talk about the unique features. So on Spocket, we have like branded invoicing. We can create branded invoices with our own logo and branding, which is pretty cool if you want to basically create something like this. And also they have like product samples. So Spocket offers a product sample a program that allows you to order samples of products before you sell them, which is pretty cool. And on CJ, dropshipping offers like private label dropshipping, offers a private label dropshipping service that allows you to create your own branded products, which is also really good. And custom packaging, CJ Dropshipping offers a custom packaging service that allows you to create custom packaging for your products. If you're going to think about prices, we can see that the prices are really different. And if we're going to compare them, we can find that they're almost similar, but sometimes some plans could be a little bit cheaper or a little bit more expensive. Depends on your choice. I recommend you to find all the features on every single plan and then to decide. But if you want to use them for a long time, you definitely need to use early subscription because there you can save up to 50%. So if you're going to speak about pros and cons on Spocket, definitely wide range of products, fast shipping times, free plan available, but cons, limited integrations, no product research tool. On CJ Dropshipping, we have like a hand-picked and vetted products, private label dropshipping, custom packaging, but smaller selection of products, slower shipping times, and no free plan. In conclusion, we can say that Spocket and CJ Dropshipping are both the solid dropshipping platforms with either their own unique strengths and weaknesses, and the choice depends on your purposes and your budget, of course. Ultimately, the best platform will you find if you'll try both of them. I recommend you to do that. So if you want to get best conditions, for example, for Spocket and CJ Dropshipping, use the links at the description. The best possible conditions to start with these platforms. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.